President Biden unveiled the first image from the James Webb Telescope. Beneath the great oceans lie mysteries beyond imagination. Remnants of lost histories, eerie signs of life that once flourished, waiting to be discovered. But in the excitement of the discovery, there is a sense of sadness. What if these secrets were not discovered? Dive with us and discover 15 underwater discoveries that will make brave explorers shiver. Prepare to be amazed and awed. The launch of the James Webb Space Telescope in 2021 is an important one. The rocket soared atop Europe's Ariane 5 rocket in the rainforests of South America, a sign right for the beauty of nature during the event. Thousands of scientists from all over the world have brought decades of expertise to this project, culminating in this great achievement. However, the effort involved is high and the risk of error is high. Amazingly, everything happened perfectly. The telescope embarked on a journey of nearly 1 million miles and 30 days of space travel. His ultimate goal is Lagrange's missing space 2, a space where the gravitational force remains in equilibrium in space. Already occupied by other telescopes, this is a good place for the James Webb Telescope to begin its world tour. As the James Webb Space Telescope begins its journey, NASA has unveiled its ambitious plan, detailing 4 phases of exploration. First, the goal of the telescope was to observe the first light of the universe, a very important moment in the history of the universe. It sought to explore the past of the early universe and reveal galaxy clusters at the beginning of the universe. But in addition to this archaeology of the world, the telescope is also ready to show star families and to explain the formation of stars and protoplanetary systems. The work of the James Webb Space Telescope extended to the study of the planets, including the origins of life itself. These regions have long resisted exploration due to the challenges of international exploration. Before starting to observe the sky, the telescope underwent a series of scientific tests and maintenance procedures, including the deployment of a large protective shield designed to protect its delicate instruments from heat of the sun. Sunscreen is a large structure, made up of 5 layers of membrane, folded like a muscular accordion. Laying it out requires careful planning and making sure that each layer is structured correctly. Pins are large and can interfere with the telescope's ability to observe the far reaches of the universe. Fortunately, the deployment was successful and the telescope could move on to its next challenge. Opening the large mirror. The heart of the James Webb Space Telescope, its main mirror, is a complex mosaic of 18 hexagonal segments. To create a sharp aerial image, each element must be precisely composed. The process of opening and setting up the mirror is a mixture of complexity and simplicity that requires careful coordination. When the telescope instrument is activated, the real journey begins. These instruments, including the near-infrared camera, the near-infrared spectrograph, and the mid-infrared instrument, each have special powers to observe the universe. Also important is the scope of the telescope, making sure that it is aimed at the celestial levels with absolute precision. The revelation of these complex mechanisms raised the expectations of the scientific community. To everyone's surprise, the James Webb Telescope passed all tests successfully, a remarkable achievement. This important project brought together more than 300 universities, organizations and companies from 29 states and 14 countries. In July 2022, after overcoming all challenges, it was awarded the James Webb Space Telescope got the green light to begin its scientific journey. NASA is proud to announce that all 17 of the telescope's science instruments are operational. As with any telescope, James Webb's primary purpose was to collect and focus the light that reveals the wonders of distant objects. What's amazing is his ability to see beyond visible light into the infrared spectrum, revealing the hidden universe. This new telescope can look back by observing redshifted light, allowing scientists to see the birth of stars and galaxies and learn about the universe's past. It is a world time machine that tells the story of the past history of our world. The first images from the James Webb Telescope, released on July 12, 2022, are spectacular. From the cosmic rocks of the Carina Nebula to the beauty of the Southern Arm Nebula, these images are more than beautiful. They offered a vision of the vastness of space and time while arousing enthusiasm for the scientific discoveries they promised. In February 2022, NASA previewed the telescope's capabilities with its first image of a star moon. The mosaic of 18 scattered points of the moon revealed the famous star HD 8446. This was just a tease, because the researchers knew that the telescope's focus would lead to more amazing discoveries. In addition to these amazing images, JWST began its scientific analysis of exoplanets. One of the first targets was WASP 96b, a gas giant planet, where the telescope detected water vapor in its atmosphere, a groundbreaking discovery that provided important insights into the nature of exoplanets. In early February 2022, NASA released an exciting vision of the future. During the telescope's calibration, an image of the starlight from HD 8446 was taken. It appears to have 18 scattered points, indicating that the telescope's optical components are working as intended. But not yet. Over the next few weeks, these points were adjusted to create a more focused image. This is the first sign of the great power of the EYEWBY mid-2022. A total of 17 JWST science instruments have been tested and are ready for use. This rigorous testing process ensures that all the instruments on the telescope are calibrated to perfection, allowing for a deeper look into the universe than previous instruments. JWST's ability to observe in the infrared spectrum, beyond the range of human vision, is what sets it apart. Most space telescopes, including Hubble, observe in sunlight and ultraviolet light. But the James Webb Space Telescope can see in the infrared, allowing it to see through the clouds of gas and dust that obscure many parts of the universe. This is also important for observing distant galaxies. As the universe absorbs their light into the infrared, the telescope's large mirror allows it to collect more light than previous telescopes, so it can focus more on faint and distant objects. Combined with its location outside the Earth's atmosphere, it has an unobstructed view of the universe, unobstructed by our planet's atmosphere. As JWST looks deeper into space, it also looks back in time. The further away an object is, the longer it takes its light to reach us, meaning that when a telescope captures light from a distant star, it captures that galaxy as it takes billions of years back. This ability to look back in time gives scientists the opportunity to study the early universe, when the first stars and galaxies were formed. In July 2022, the world will witness JWST's incredible capabilities. One of the most anticipated early photos shows the Stephan Quintet, a group of galaxies engaged in a celestial dance. These galaxies, some of which are merging and interacting, reflect the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the universe. The most exciting thing about JWST is not only what has been revealed, but the promise of what is to come. The mission will last 10 years, and during this time it will make many discoveries that will deepen our understanding of the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope represents the next great leap in mankind's quest to explore the universe. From its unique ability to see the past to its advanced infrared technology, it's a testament to humanity's ingenuity and desire to explore the unknown.